Welcome back. Let's consider the simple complex number that we have on the board. The summation of 0 to 100 of I to the power of n factorial, where I is called imaginary number outer, which is denoted as root of -1. But 0 to 100, that is 101 times. 101 times. Now we have to write this. I power 0 factorial, I power 1 factorial, I power 2 factorial, I power 3 factorial. But I would like to stop here. N is starting from 4 to 100 of I power n factorial because I've already stopped there. But now what we are going to observe here is this. I to the power of 2 is equal to -1, right? -1 or this or square, right? If we are going to solve this, right, we have -1. So that means that I to the power of 4 will be -1 or square. So that is, it's so certain that I to the power of any multiple of 4 is 1. I to the power of certain multiple of 2, which is not multiple of 4, we are going to have something of -1. It's not the multiple of 4, but it's a multiple of 2. So let's try to differentiate that is in modulo 4 and in modulo 2. Note that. So now here, now n factorial. If you start, 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120 continuously. From here, continuously, right? They are all multiple of 4. That means that when I raise to power of any power here, continuously, we are going to have 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. And don't forget, we are having 101 times. We have used 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that we will be having 94 remaining times for this given summation here. That's what we'll be having. So now, if that is the case, let's now move on. I to the power of 1, that is 0 factorial is 1. I to the power of 1 factorial 2 is also 1. I to the power of 2. I to the power of 2. And I to the power of 6. And this will be 1 plus 1. 17, 97, 1. Okay, because that is the terms. Because n factorial here is starting from 4 factorial 5. These are this, and they are multiple of 4. So that means that I raised power 24 is 1. I raised power 120 is 1. So now we can now have I raised power 2 is -1. I raised power 6 is anything as I raised power 2, I raised power 3, and we have 97 here. I plus I is 2i minus 1 here. So now we have I squared is -1 raised to power 3 plus 97. So we have 2i minus 1 plus 97. So we have 2i plus 95 or 95 plus 2i. That's what we have our required answer. Thank you.